Hello, welcome to Voice Pays. If you've been trying to figure out how to make money with your voice, I'm here to help. I want to share everything that I've learned along the way and am still learning and give it all to you guys. Stuff like doing voiceover work, singing in a corporate wedding band, doing studio work, teaching tips, voiceover tips, singing tips, mindset, all that stuff. And teach you how to find gigs online, paying gigs, especially if you have a home studio setup and if home guerrilla recording tactics are in your wheelhouse. And if they're not, I want to help teach you that too, and so much more. There's so much I want to share. So stick around, watch some content. This is my welcome video, and if you're interested, subscribe, because I cannot wait to just divulge. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask because they're going to help other people too. Let's play, let's learn, let's score some work.